welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 18th, 2025, and we're diving into SNDL's recently released fourth quarter and full year 2024 financial results. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. SNDL has reported some interesting numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. SNDL reported a net revenue of $257.7 million for the fourth quarter and $920.4 million for the full year 2024. John, how does this compare to previous periods?
These figures represent a growth of 3.7% for the quarter and 1.3% for the full year compared to last year, setting new records for the company. The growth is primarily driven by their cannabis business, which saw a 16.5% increase in the fourth quarter and 10.6% over the full year.
And what about profitability?
Gross profit also reached new heights, with $68.8 million in Q4 and $240.3 million for the year. The gross margin improved significantly to 26.7% in Q4, up by 3.6 percentage points from the previous year, indicating better cost management and operational efficiencies.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 1 for SNDL. How did the actual results compare?
While the specific adjusted EPS wasn't disclosed, the company reported an operating loss of $76.1 million for the fourth quarter. This was largely due to exceptional items like a negative valuation adjustment of the Sunstream portfolio and a Spirit Leaf intangible write-off.
So excluding these exceptional items, how did the company perform?
Excluding these items, the underlying operating income would have been positive, which suggests that the core business is performing better than the headline numbers might indicate.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. John, SNDL has been active on the strategic front. Can you tell us about their recent initiatives?
Absolutely. SNDL completed the privatization of Nova Cannabis and acquired Indiva, making them the largest manufacturer of infused edibles in Canada. They also received approval for the transfer of the parallel license, which is crucial for their restructuring process.
And what about their share repurchase program?
They repurchased over 10.76 million shares, which reflects their confidence in the company's future and is a move to enhance shareholder value.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about cash flow. SNDL reported positive free cash flow for both the quarter and the year. What does this indicate?
This is a significant achievement. They reported $11.6 million in free cash flow for Q4 and $8.9 million for the full year. Their strong cash position of $218.4 million provides them with the flexibility to invest in growth opportunities.
And looking ahead, what are their financial goals?
They're aiming to generate $100 million in positive annual free cash flow within the next 3 years, which is an ambitious target, but reflects their confidence in the business's trajectory.
Key takeaways. In summary, SNDL has reported a strong set of results for the fourth quarter and full year 2024, with record revenues and gross profit. Their strategic initiatives and positive cash flow position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
SNL's focus on operational efficiencies and strategic acquisitions is paying off. Their strong cash position and ambitious goals for future cash flow are promising for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on SNDL's performance in the comments below.